All right, so for units. So units, unless a question specifically asks for something else, maybe you're given a question where it gives you numbers in inches and says please answer in inches. In that case, you don't have to switch over to use the SI system at all. But in other questions, no matter what units you're given, you should end up with an answer in meters, kilograms, or seconds. So meter, that's the standard unit of length. So meters are length, and how much is a meter? There you go. This is about 1 meter. Okay, it's exactly 1 meter. Kilogram. So a kilogram is our unit of mass. Okay, so kilogram is a unit of mass. We usually think of the pound as our unit of mass. It's not exactly correct. We'll talk about that in later chapters. But a pound is actually a unit of force. But some object that weighs 1 pound is about half of a kilogram. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how big a kilogram is. And then a second, that's the unit of time. And happily enough, even in America, we use seconds for time. The rest of the world uses meters, kilograms, and seconds, except for 3 countries. The U.S. is one, Myanmar is the second one, and Liberia, I think, is the third one. The rest of the world has established these as their standard units, and they're a lot easier to use in physics, so we will also use those. There will be other SI units that come along, but all of them relate back to meters, kilograms, and seconds. For example, speed of something. How fast does your car go? How fast can you walk? Your answers will probably be, in your head, when you're thinking of it, in miles per hour. So miles, that's a distance, a length. Hour, that's a time. So the SI unit of length per time would be meters per second. So that's an example of an SI unit, so meters per second, based on meters and seconds. If you are taking this class online, this has no relevance to you, except that I've posted in Canvas the inside covers of the front and back book. They've got a lot of helpful references on them. If you are in a face-to-face class with me, then I will hand out pages from the textbook that you'll get to use as a reference for every test. That means you will not have to memorize all of the physical constants. And scientific notation, if you don't know what is meant by 4.3 times 10 to the minus fifth, come and talk to me, or there are some helpful videos that are available to describe what that means. I don't want to spend a lot of time going over it because I think most people have been exposed to that by now.